Today is Monday. It's actually Monday night. Me and my love bug over here just leaving the gym. Decided to get a little workout on. We tired. Are you tired? I'm tired too. We get ready to head home, shower, get ready for tomorrow. Put them in. Like this how I want my thing to be now. What I think I'm gonna do is do some like, you know, because I want to be. Where you go? Hello everyone, welcome back to my chat session. It's Tuesday. Just getting off work maybe about an hour ago. I'm cooking dinner. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and put on a face mask. Let that sit on my face for a while. Wash that off, and I'll just keep it on my face until I get ready to take my shower for the night. Wash it off and clean my face and everything. By Avon, a new brightening clay mask. I'm just gonna put this on my face. I didn't wear any makeup to work today, so so I don't have to worry about cleaning that off. I guess I should clean my face before I put my mask on, but I'm gonna clean it when I clean it afterwards, so I think I'm good. I think I'll be fine. So I'm gonna put this on my face. I'll try to do a mask like every 2 days or so. Just something to help my skin, because I have acne somewhat, but I have like real big deep pores and I get blackheads at times, so just trying to keep my skin clear as best I know how. I'm drinking my water. I'm started back drinking my water, but I need to do better. I probably need to take like a hair and nail and skin vitamin as well. So I buy facial products on a budget. I don't do too much. I don't wear makeup all the time. I wouldn't even say I wear makeup like that. Simple BB cream here and now and then, a little eyeshadow, mascara. That's it. I don't even wear blush. I don't even wear lipstick like that. So this is the mask I'm going to keep it on for. I'm having a good day so far. A good Tuesday. I hope everybody had a good Monday. Just trying to be productive when I get off work. Sometimes it's hard. Sometimes when I get off work, I don't really be wanting to do much of anything, but I'm trying to get out of that. I'm trying to motivate myself. I'm trying to push myself to just try new things, do new things. You know, just live each day to the fullest, the best way I can. I'm trying to work out at least 3 days a week. Try to push myself and motivate myself. I really got to do better. Hopefully we can go on this journey together. Weight loss journey, eating healthier, exercising, moving our bodies, drinking more water, trying to eat as clean as we can, do the best we can, and just try to be the best as we can be. All right, I hope everybody have a good night. Take care. Bye.
Good morning, my chat partners. Today is Thursday, January the 16th, I think. I'm getting ready to go to work. So I'm in my car trying to get myself together. Today is a ponytail day for me. I got a olive oil ponytail from Popeye from back in the day. I need to get myself together. Y'all need to wash my hair. I decided to put in a ponytail because I can't have my hair smelling like Grwm, curl product, and dry water. Okay? But I'm in my car trying to get my stuff together. For my lunch today, I'm going to have some Chinese noodles, vegetable noodles with tofu. Some dark green tea, berry tea. But after I finish drinking this, I'm going to fill it up with water throughout the day and squeeze some lemon in it. And I got some pistachios for a snack. So I'm putting this together in the car, y'all. Just show you how much I need to get in my life. Get myself together. Put it in my pocketbook. I'm trying to find my chapsticks. I'm going to put some of that on my lips. But yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys. Hope y'all are doing great. Happy Thursday. The journey continues. Okay, guys. You guys take care. Oh, yeah. And like I was saying, my hair need washer. So I'll probably record a video of me washing my hair. I think I might blow dry it this time. Or let it air dry and then fly down. I don't try to put too much heat or anything to it because of my hair situation. I'm all over the place, y'all. I'm tongue twisted. Can't get my words right. But that's okay. It's early in the morning. Just trying to get it together. Y'all got up early this morning. Took me a shower. And I'm one of the people. Well, when I take a shower, I got to cool off. I got to cool off because I be hot. Y'all laid back down. After that, it was over with. I set my phone. Well, I set my alarm on my phone. I hit stop and laid back down. I was sleeping so good. I'm the type of person, I started sleeping good around the 4 o'clock hour. That's when I really sleep good. And I was sleeping so good, y'all. But after I took that shower, but it's all good, though. All right, you guys, take care, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Welcome back to my chat session. So today is Friday. It's Friday morning, and I'm trying to get myself together for work. I just wanted to come on and chat with you guys for a little bit briefly. I hope everybody's been having a great week, doing well. Been having the last video for this week's vlog. So last night I went to the movies and I saw Bad Boys for Life. And I have to say, it was a great movie. It was really, really good. I really enjoyed myself. It was full of action, suspense, mystery. It was funny too. It was fun. It was hilarious. It was a good movie. It was a really good movie. And I can honestly say that Martin Lawrence and Will Smith on-screen chemistry is still solid, has gotten better. It was good. It was good. And one thing I admire about the Bad Boys franchise is that they truly show how friends, family, partners should stick together and have each other. That movie, 2 thumbs up, and I would recommend it to anyone. You know, I don't know if y'all can hear the music in the background, but I have a list of music I listen to in the morning to give me inspiration, kind of help me start my day, kind of help me get motivated, keep me calm, just get ready for what's out there. Once I leave behind the 4 walls of my home, yeah, I'm just doing a ponytail today. Again, I did one yesterday, I'm gonna do one today. Got that going on. Like I said, this is a weekly vlog video for me. Kind of my first time doing it. I'm really enjoying YouTube. I'm enjoying the experience. I'm enjoying learning different things. Put myself out there. Yeah. Need to hurry up. I gotta get myself together. I got my eggs boiling. I need to go check on them. I try to put my eggs on in the morning if I'm gonna have boiled eggs for breakfast while I'm in the shower. I probably need to stop doing it. I probably need to boil my eggs while I'm out, not in the shower, just in case anything happens. I'm just saying. I think stuff like this day. Thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel. Share, leave comments. Any suggestions, any likes would be appreciated. Stay safe, be great, be blessed, and take care.